What are you doing, babe? Oh, I'm just setting up my alarm. I gotta wake up early tomorrow. Oh, you don't have to do that. I can wake you up in the morning. Oh, well, I gotta wake up early, like 6 a.m. Yeah, I can wake you up. No, it's fine. I can set an alarm. Babe, I insist. I'm waking you up. Yeah, but it's early in the morning. Babe, I insist on waking you up. Okay, but don't you need to set an alarm? No, I don't need to set an alarm. Well, if you're not going to set an alarm and you don't want me to set an alarm, how are you going to wake me up in the morning? Just think about it, babe. Don't need an alarm clock to wake you up in the morning. Wait, I don't get... Oh. Wait, are you going to use your... Yup. And your... Yup.